Hi, everybody. It's Diane doing a voiceover in case you couldn't tell. I decided to make a zine. It's why I'm folding paper here. My idea was to make it sort of like a journal zine, which sometimes they call that zine, P-E-R, zine, meaning personal. I've never really seen it called journal zine, but anyway, that's what I'm doing. So I'm getting the zine constructed here in case you've never seen that done before. It's really easy. There are a lot of tutorials online and on YouTube. That's how I learned how to do it. So I'm having a little trouble here with it lining up nicely. Sometimes they do, sometimes they don't. That's not too bad. So anyway, my idea is to just um, put in just random bits here, like those numbers that really don't mean anything. I just thought they were kind of interesting. And then I was going to go back and write about the day, my day. And you can't see, I have my hand up in the air like I don't know how to explain this because I don't. So anyway, I got a little light bulb there over the Gibson Girl that's wrapping paper there. So I'm just going to glue in, like I said, random things. They don't mean a thing. I just thought they look cool. And I will glue off camera as I often do. That's a cruel picture there, the flowers. You can probably tell how old it is by that green color in the background. I mean, it's from the 70s. I don't mean it's moldy or something. I meant that, avocado green color. And at the end, a little spoiler here, I do come on in real time and talk about it when it's done. So you don't have to listen to this dumb voiceover for the whole video. This bird here, it was a strip in a postal catalog. They were actually note cards. That they were stamps too, but that picture was note cards that they offered to buy. Yeah, I end up using that girl there on the left. I do say at the end, I remember saying, it probably in a way would make more sense, here it is done, to actually put in photos of the day, but I did it this way. So, okay, hang on and we'll switch to real Diane talking. Okay, here I am for real. It's all done. I added number 1. I wrote journal there with a pen marker. So, yeah, that's a day. This is a day. That's one and that's one. And then I wrote a little bit on the back what I thought about doing this process. It's fun. It's neat. It's different. But it is repeating. For me, I have a regular journal anyway. So if I write in that too, then I'm repeating. So then I don't write in it because I have this. It's a little... But it's kind of cool. And if you wanted to do just strictly this, then you'd have a bunch of these as your little journals. It's kind of neat. Obviously, I just put in pictures. They have nothing to do with what I was writing about. That's sort of what I wanted to do, make it collage-y looking. But, really, a journal should have, I'm writing about the weather. Maybe I should have taken a picture of the rain or something and put that in there. Probably. But this is what I did. Take it or leave it. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.